welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Sarumba, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya to receive heliports and international airport. Malki and Forest Department restricts entry in Malki Forest. VPP leaves the government with an ultimatum of 48 days. And Minister in charge of Agriculture assures the welfare of farmers. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya is known for its scenic beauty, and people all over the world desires to visit the state and absorb its beauty. Making use of its beauty, the government had forwarded an initiative to boost the economy. Meghalaya will soon witness a number of development projects that will maximize its economy and its growth in entirety through the pathway of tourism. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama called on the Union Minister for Civil Aviation, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, in New Delhi on the 12th of May with a firm intention to propose an establishment of heliports in Shillong and Tura, and also to set up an international airport in the state. During their one-to-one interaction, the CM exclaimed that there is a far vision for the state of Meghalaya. Their proposals is one of the aims to boost the state's tourism potential and economic growth through air connectivity. Malki Forest is one of the thick forests in Shillong, standing as the main source of water, sufficing thousands of households, hospitals and government offices. With its growing popularity for its natural beauty and a stable source of water, the number of people visiting the forest has increased over the years. Man is a destructing machine, not sparing any natural resource by destroying the value. On the 12th of May, the Khasi Students' Union Malki Circle, in collaboration with the Forest and Environment Department Malki Beat Office, announced that people are restricted to enter the Malki Forest, which is under the Lajkor Protected Forest Area, as per the law of the department, in order to protect the source of water, which most people indulge in polluting it. There are various reasons behind the restriction, but few of the main ones are to preserve the main source of water, to preserve the trees, to eradicate illegal acts committed by people entering the forest like intoxicating drugs and other substances and other disgraceful activities. The KSU Malki Circle urged the cooperation of the locality and residents of Malki to stand firm together for the good cause to accomplish their mission of preserving the natural resources and eradicate illegal practices before it gets entangled in a loop with no end.
Industri nakaliang joka KSU Malki Circle limba ka environmental nama kerja yatri dekat lembat ka Forest and Environment Department nila primera pai ba lakan si sundan ya ka junung jingni beliau sepok ni Klau Malki ka bah apok ka Lajkor Protected Forest Area kon ki kendan ai ya ka department kadang ba pelong ya ka seng ban sim ya ka sinjam bat ban penbor ya ka Forest Department ban bu ikin ki signboard jing maham bam omsha marung benni sepok ketika Klau kolong ba kibun ba kita kita ki bakam khamat kelong ikwa ban penne ban pensa ika tolong iki dirban joka Klau di bat ke jingchong sengan iki pai ba wan sajanya isi Klau kunjur ikwa ban rat dingkong ikni ki kam ki bajuan le ki beri wan kai ki wan ban yesong jadi tiba la sanmat padu kata-kata di keben kong ya kenika kumbang itu kenika Klau kolong kapapimbiang ya ka umbam umbi ya ki hajar tuli ki longi ki badan apa kenika Shillong Malki bat kunjuru iki school kumyo iki bat kami ka hostel ka badan apa jong kenika Shillong Malki jungi dia omni tak tahu ka kenika Klau ka kam pimbiang ki buat syaki longi yang bagi office sarkar ki badan apa last year hadu mentak kadung tai sing nadu kapor kaba mensua di larang im khang no yakni ka jungwan rong jingni ki beri barabar kala ban penstang bat kan kata ya ka jing ki tolong umdi bagian po ni kaklau te kunjur kuntang ki dieng badan ni ki dieng kesek jelat ki bala adon kumba kispa nya pos nem tam kan kum ka jing batai joki batai hapo joka di opsa ni ha malki ke kalong kabaki break buan kai si kaklau kapor batalang ko ki kriat kia piet na kia klong ini ka ki dieng ki dieng di betnya saat ding saat ke kini buan kai kre ki klong tu lokim tip jika ba kalak bakta ki dieng ba kilak ban telur adu kilak ban yap adu tahapo kadien satu kan islam ini sekoi du kabak pencusir ba kalong ba kibun ba sini ki ba wandi wan songkai wan di drop se kunju nadu senam arhajar atoi ka nak kaseng la bayu ban bat la aku tam iki kena ki wan songkai sini ban kala ka jaka ketem jaka menja di drop se nak kata kada ban song sengan ki beliau bawan ya deti wan sajanya sini kita te ya ban sim yang kenika kakamban bu sengbut ban khang Eskoweru kalong ba kibun baki na pergi kena pas ki ba jaka balik ki college ki kelas ki prep school ya bank school ya one jaka chi pau ke da hajan mal kapur ni ju ban bat ki kena school ba ya prep school ke ni jus nang ki ba kamjuba ban prep school ko ni ringba ka nika kro ni sodai ba ini wer lam ki nong jaka song maki bangin ya train kat lem ram ngin la ban pendek sa ikan ka klau ya ka jibban ka klau ki tolong bat tunjur ban ya ka jing song sengai jong ki song ha kapok ka song maki bon ka sis ka na kaleng kesang kerang ban la ban te la kami ki boro ki wan ja ngila satu sai ba berditang kani kelengki hi kabala ban yada ban te la kami kini ki jinja ki ba lai ban thau hadin habut siru ke khadu khawai ya ni kwa ban ai khamtam ka jukle ki lokre jong ka bidhau jong ka ni kamaki forest ki bit officer staff ki bala don lam ban ni matasi ban penurlong ya kini ka jing jong ka sang.
The Voice of the People Party VPP on the 12th of May gathered together in Shillong demanding the government to effectuate the roster system. VPP gave the government an ultimatum of 48 hours to issue an order to cease the recruitment in government offices until and unless the reservation policy and roster system issue is revised. Speaking to the president of VPP, Arden Masayumot, informed that the party will give the government an ultimatum to fulfill their demands, failure to which the matter will be taken to the streets. VPP had also submitted a request to the Chief Minister demanding the government to conduct a special meeting to discuss specifically on the reservation policy and the roster system. He added that the recruitment in different government offices should be temporarily stopped while the reservation policy and roster system issued is still unresolved. The party submitted their request to the Deputy Chief Minister Snya Bhalang Dhar to bring to the notice of the Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma.
Kumpha thungkam ningbagani ka reception policy kamlang ka babiang tayna marga takataw ni layakren kumban shupin kamang ilara yakani hapo assembly u Chief Minister ulat juba bong balada kin sngo ya kin let shiging kashuri ngenge kumpoy prakhat pagaying kashuri kan ay ka juba bagani kadai ka kamram juga sarkar ban thawi ka policy ban penbait kadai ka kamram juga sarkar bat ka yeng dorbar thawan kamdai ka yeng kashri ngisno tho bagin nangalam jingi kibada na secretariat na kapor Singapore kim jukwa ban wengi ka jinge kibaga judgment yo kay gendo dayola kinyat sigadiang kinyat sagaman kinyat geleng kimtre ban sim ya ka jingit kli ban mentaru kikwa ban persang ban nyat yakani syagayeng kasri nre metam dalla dan linti da kamoy pa kena singot ho ko gen hap ban le ye baka Voice of the People Party kumba kala kular hakipore la election bangini khi yakani ngilai kran po assembly ngikrep jiat bang election surat kumni na do kasngi ke banikong ngim kwa nrengi ong bala ka jaka yatai kani ka jaka ka bang ngimyo penban galat bani kran nani ka sarkar kam kwa bang ini tai ngini thiri kani ka benta ngina ban mi menta syasuro ngasi kwa banong ibi baro ki bapoy kani ka por ka bamenta kani ka jingdawa ji kani ka etam kamlang ko masuk pada sarkar kenang tono ayar dan wan ni kena kuat kuno ni pendek kanam masuk pun tak dia nama kata kata ngilek keleng-keleng dan pensyai ki pak bagi naik ke cingkir siani larang idon ya ke cing snow kit kli nam ta ki khon ki ti ka pateng ke banwan dan kam ban pendek ya ke reception policy haga jaga begini ya ke cingkir sian ke baklan kisdang mi pemban gijing kentok, kisdang mi pemban gijing penting kok tempan. Mani tip kira ni betul reception polisi yo long balong pok menipur na. Paling is punya hak jumon. Paling kali yang gum kata menipur. Ngiang ni ngida ban penbai ikramang bawa aikam show kita diwe. Ikramang penduk na ik reception policy. Ni syong penbiang. Ikram dawa ban penduk. Lada dawa ban penduk tekan kegen ke temang. Habang yung kani ka polisi kambiang ti ka no siniang tangkum tar mlong syo kamot dali ka sarkar kat pagali nang ismak mlong syo nor bayo ka ki katma balay kan ki katma lada ka sarkar ka dani ka cingki kli kanum don ka cingki katma ke jungi brokoi balada ka voice of the people party ka shemi ki sin jam bangini ki nagamata ka ni kamat wat num benut ya ka por ko jumpi Wanum benot ya minta, yo ni feel ya kala shy, kala shismi. Kadai bangi benot parat ya kapor ban ai lesi. Andai kenal kadon, kajing tak ka bakrau, lara ka sarkar ka I, bagi kita gibami siya kata ka jingkot kilong tang kindiat Nang ni syahmat ni tray tinge, nang ni syahmat, nomor minta ka ski ka shithi ka bangi ai, kanulong kum ka shithi ka baningkong. Kabang ay hagan real tarik jong uyayong real tarik ngila let ngila ay ke jing thoy ka sarkar ngila kerpat bakan khot ka special session bangini kren halor kani sarkar haduk manta kampat respond ya ka shithi kamlelei kali ka shithi ka manta ka bangin lai kan ay ka dai ka jing bu por ya ka sarkar bahapo sab ho prakan ta pidei ban pinmi ya ka notification ka ba pinsang alot ya kam thung jam Sapu pra kentang ai por. But ya ke jingi. Niya syahmat. Lalu padba wai ke jing kersam. Ka sarkar kan hak banle kumta. Ngala community ba manda ngaski. Ka sarkar kan iu padba bubun. Nor ke jing khot ke jing iu padba kalong baga sarkar kan iu padba ukursan. Ya ke ni ke jingile ke jingi. Kadai kata kadau, bun kita tengok beri bardan serat bali ai sitiru, pirkot pai ba, ong ya wer, kenang ba, ka sarkar kan tip, bau pai ba ukursan, ya ka voice of the people party, hagani ka jiki, ban penbet ya ka reception policy. Ngilet ban ai mentai ka siti, ngilabu por sa fu prakenta, ladakot ka sa fu prakenta ngi hapane ki bai.
Minister in charge of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ampreen Lingdo, on the 12th of May, went down to Yaudelang to listen to the plight of the farmers and traders on the kilo deduction of agricultural products of farmers. The inspection was done when the MLAs of VPP raised the topic of discussion in the Assembly during the budget session. The farmers informed that they are facing a grave difficulty with the kilo deduction since it affects mainly their purse. On hearing the plight of the farmers, the minister assured the farmers to do what must to be done and seek for ways to relieve the farmers from the struggles that they have been enduring. Present together in the inspection includes MLA Nongkrem, Arden Milibasayomot, along with MLA North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrom, and SAM of Himamalim.
Benong bangi di benpen duk ya kata ko kilo sisendon tingi yo I nagilat patay kuwa ba kaladon kata kajing surpre pangin ita ngai nilai ba Arden ba Adelbert ba Shimkia itani hapo bor pangilong session ni assembly hantay ay play ba in menteri barok ki bayawan ni ngi ong ipitang away ni day ban pendo ya ka od kilo yung day ban sya shu ya kani kadon ka bill na ka district council sa kabagi ong malamit ha na do ar mas umat nandun sa dinya mat kani ka bill nilay kakantup lang ya kita gibenta jo ka district council ang tangpat bet bat ni ya ka jing ha jing yak yung kinong red di bawandi di mar ni lay ko ang pakan sadan kata sa minimum support price Dinray ya kata kabil ngidang yo tip lang ila ba aden ba mangibat ba ilo buat ni di kani kabil ru ngin penyad buat ngin tip balay ka sakot bat kay ka daw ngidang yo reminder na district council how new library umi arajan arla di kani kabil ru ngin sakha sa pinigiabot ni tip ya kani ka buhaya ni dem ya kata kabil bisa nagkopi ya ki immediately I advise ng hero halot na may ka-propose bill kapag masakot. Mentaswa nga kwa panyo jimtip na ipaim. Yung imitri, kapit nga nagatam naman na district council clipper mawan. Ong ini, nado meno, lanin, nado lano, pindo siya.
Siam kung nangilali, teka badan kamanta kumbakren uway ni kinongrep. Nga kentu, bahabangi penbait ya gani kakam nang ni shmat. Kadon kam bani smutu hapeng kinong di kinong thiet ubathit unthit hak ubadi undi hak pakadi kata ka bangi hikwa imo nang ni ban syaliang yo pio ngi nong rep wan gini la le khan le bahe no la syaem ya buram para mapi bapi tre kam man la kesi ama kai ka bangi hikwa ngitip pakata ka jingot sipau kilo kalak ta pala Ditang lamar ba don balik syukur iwi ar pin sitom lu je baro ngimla man pediang. Dia kadai bangkut no manta kani te kitu kinong rep pli ki basno sat kamen sim syaot si 10 kilo tep no du mau san kilo ban khas. Denam dene. Kele kumta. Denmar kata kata wan le syuk kumta. Apa ayu chur ay tong chur sudah. Apa ka bulu ka pitep chur ka dai bendon tong tusi ni ben tep durot nak to kasi. Lalu pilih kumta kan wan dia ka jitana. Bat ngi kumolom ta ngi wan na ka sorkar. Kay ka kam ba ka sorkar kam la ban penbait. Kam da. Lada ka sorkar ka simkhia. Undan menu bala banong ni ki wan tuklar ki kita ka sorkar. Ka sorkar ka don ka hok. Ka sorkar ka don ka hok ban tuklar ka don hok ban penbait ya ka jinge jong ki pai ba. Kibadi hakan ni kayo. Hi, te na marga ta kadaw. Kay ka bangi kwa man ta kasi. Ang iwan jo ya kani kayo. Daga jing simphia jong i minister. Hadin bangila kren na po kayong dorbar thawai. Ila kren ila batay bagani kayo do kadi ka jaka kayo ka bahe tam ka bakipat ba kiju hangni. Bade hangni ru bagi don ding ding jing sha leben. Dai nam den. Tengi kwa kumba ngathai philkan ma hopor bangalong CM ayung lele. Dai, kementar kasni, kare kasni, kaba dingba ka jing simphia jong i menteri bade pek ya karep karyang. Na sore ban khot lang ini namar ngilara ya kene kamat apo assembly. Tinga suban ai khublei kerpang. Penrai ngangek ba di vi kindia. Kani kare kishiti ka bangili yo priang na sarkar, haga bade bangini wan singani ka jakar. Kasni ka bangkong kare yasngap lang suba. Ka tarik ke banding kong kijing syak la dei bendai lai tarik. Ma, tenre nagadao kijing itu pu pikam. Harung amla ka tarik bai lai minister iru pa imla ka tarik ka bai pun bai ni sayo e gani kasni. Ni wanang ni singap hama. Ni wanang ni mendai bangi perkhat yeladi. Bangin penbi yu pai ba bangin job election ringi keren ya kijing e ju pi po assembly. Sarkar lang bay menteri kilawan ban jungo ban ikunu marmar hoy ngila iminin mo lawan na kaliang kiwi pa kikunhon ban ong ba kam dei shu ban don kata ka jingot kilo ya kinong rep bagai jing penbait te ngamtep kai ka jamanen balai bi kijit banon menen ag jing sha na kaling menteri la ai kupilang ya kita ka bede banon khnang bangin ni tip lang kumno ban penbait te nakatara bisnu thu le si dei na mar kani ka jing thmu ka jingi Bamenin kilawan ban hiar bat ban chu ong mai ban pun kot no ya kata te kum ki pai ba ngi hapan lo ki pai ba ki bastan kum CM ngala le ya ka badi ban le ndeng asusi batang hadin bang amdon chu mga po dis council ngatit pa gajing syak khnyot ben kadam beteng denam dena.
Drug is one of the main substances abused by youngsters in the capital as well as in other regions of Meghalaya. Youngsters are trapped in the vicious cycle of doom, which is almost impossible to escape once involved. On the 11th of May, following a tip-off, ANTF East Khasi Hills conducted a raid at Polo opposite Nipco and apprehended 3 drug peddlers involved in drug smuggling in Shillong. The items recovered and seized from the drug peddlers includes 5 soap cases of heroin weighing 67.8 grams, 1 golden tobacco tin containing heroin weighing 0.16 grams, 1 scooty bearing registration number ML05M0237, 1 Mahindra Maximo Plus pickup registration number ML05N6577, 3 syringes, 4 mobile phones with 2,33,500 rupees. The total heroin recovered was 67.96 grams and the arrested persons are still under police custody for further investigation to track leads to the main source. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.